हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो गाइस, आज हूँ उत्तराखंड अल्मोड़ा की खूबसूरत वादियों में। तो काफ़ी दिन हो गए थे, कोई ब्लॉग नहीं बनाया था और कोई वीडियो भी नहीं आई थी काफ़ी दिनों से। तो आज सोचा क्यों ना यार एक छोटी सी वीडियो क्लिप आप लोगों को दिखाऊँ। इससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर करना और कमेंट ज़रूर करना। आप कमेंट करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो गाइस, आज ले चलता हूँ आपको पहाड़ों की खूबसूरत वादियों में। आई होप कि आपको वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगी। अगर पसंद आए तो आपको करना ही है, तो लाइक ज़रूर मारना, कमेंट करना एक प्यारा सा, और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना मेरे चैनल। बाकी गाइस,
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be